In today's video, we're taking a look at how to repair your dryer machine, replacing the thermal cutoff switch. Easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do it. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and went to dry some clothes. You placed the clothes, you put it for an hour, you came back and they're still wet. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So this particular video is going to be part of a series on how to fix your dryer. And we're basically going to show how to replace the 5 main components that go bad in a dryer. We'll leave a link for the parts on the description. The first part on the kit is the heating element. Then we get the high limit thermostat. Next, we get the thermal fuse. Next, we have the cycling thermostat. And finally, the one that we're going to replace today is the thermal cutoff switch. The first thing that you want to do is verify that you have the correct house. The second thing that you want to do is verify that you do have a dryer. And if you don't, and you're watching this video for the comedic relief, we applaud you. Now that we have all the data points covered, we're ready for the next step. And because the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die, we want to go ahead and unplug the dryer from the outlet. Next, we want to make sure that we remove the exhaust vent from the dryer. In many cases, you may have to bring the dryer to an open area to have space to work on it. And the area that we want to work on the dryer is the back. You're going to notice the large back cover, which is held by some screws or bolts. Depending on your model, it could be flathead screws, Phillips screws, or in this case, small bolted screws. We're going to use the ancient technique passed down generation to generation of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And remember, a pro tip, saving the screws to put the door back is a good idea. Even though that you want to add to the bin of screws that are always left over when you finish building something, today is not that day. And that is one of the greatest mysteries in life. Just like that sock that disappears on the dryer, we never know why we rebuild things. We have screws left over. Once you get to the last screw, we want to make sure that we hold the door before it gives you a lovely kiss. Having a helper or a Watson, it's a good idea. They can help you hold the screws, meanwhile your body contorts to pretzel position. Or to kill your confidence level of, I don't know that he knows what he's doing. Once we remove the cover, we're going to notice the thermal cutoff switch. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and unplug the wires. You can do this by using your beautiful strong hands, or you can use needle nose pliers. You can wiggle side to side to make it a lot easier to remove. And no, I don't mean your body, I mean the connections. If you notice your wires don't stay in place, you can mark them or throw a picture of them so you can remember which goes where, or rely on your beautiful mind. It seems Watson did not believe the last part. Now we're ready to remove the screw. And remember the technique passed down generation to generation of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Even though it's very tempting to stay with the screw and add it to the DIY screw bin, we're going to save it to use it to install the new one. Remember to flex, use both arms for even pump. If you have any lint, dirt, or gunk, you want to go ahead and remove that. And now we're ready to install the new one. We're going to reverse engineer our way to glory. Now you've done it. You're one step closer to victory. We're going to go ahead and place the cover back and start screwing that dryer to submission. Always remember the ancient technique of righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Once we placed all the screws, you can connect your dryer and confirm that it's working. And remember, we're going to have 6 total videos at looking on how to fix your dryer machine easy and simple. Now you've done it, grasshopper. You become a master in the drying society of the world. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.